From a black canvas to this a woman with soft braid, pink top and quiet gaze. Today I will take you through the entire process, every brushstroke, every detail in 10 minutes. I always start with big shapes first. Skin tones, hair base and clothes. The trick is not to just get lost in details too early. I filled in flat colors first, skin tones, the soft pink of the top and some base browns for the hair. At this stage, I focus only on large shapes. Now comes the fun, bringing her to life. I add shadows under the cheekbones, soft highlights on the forehead and then the braid. This part needs patience. I layer light and dark strokes to give it texture. I keep reminding myself, build the house before decorating the windows. Next, I start adding depth. I build up the shadows on cheek, neck and near the braid using darker tones. Adding light and shadow makes the face real. Details are where magic hides. A tiny shine in the eyes, soft edge on the lips, and shadow just under the braid. These little things make her feel real. Even if you never painted, you can spot the difference. If you like this portrait, let me know in the comments. You can try something similar. Just play with hairstyles and colors. Don't forget to subscribe for more painting tutorials. I love this part, stepping back and seeing her look back at me. The braid was my favorite part. I added tiny highlights to give the hair dimension and softness. Once the face and hair were done, I added small highlights, cleaned the edges and adjusted contrast to bring it all together. Every portrait feels like meeting someone new. This was her. Let me know what you think she's like in the comments. More highlights, bit more pink on the cheeks, and she's done. And if you enjoyed this little painting journey, don't forget to subscribe for more. The hairband is my little pop of personality of her.